AI-powered robots from Japan and China are evolving fast, with the 7 top humanoid robots each offering their own impressive capabilities and applications, but many of these aren't yet known in the West. So today, we'll cover their abilities, hardware, prices, and much more, starting with number 1, the Kaleido 8.0. Kawasaki Motors recently unveiled their 2 newest humanoid robots, with the first being the Kaleido 8.0 robot, designed for remarkable stability and confidence when executing physical tasks, especially when handling heavy objects. This robot was originally designed as a rescue robot, equipped to navigate any surface, climb ladders, and perform physical tasks with extraordinary dexterity. Because of this, Kaleido 8.0 is quite a large robot, standing at 5 feet 11 inches and weighing 190 pounds. It also has an impressive 32 degrees of freedom in its body. As for its design, the robot can clear debris from natural disasters, collaborate with humans to transport large items, and play a vital role in delivering humanitarian aid, including unloading trucks. Alongside Kaleido 8.0, Kawasaki also recently unveiled its friend's robot, which is based on the Kido but is instead designed for indoor use in homes, hospitals, and businesses. In order to navigate narrow corridors, it has a slimmer design, which was crafted using high-quality compact motors to reduce the overall weight. And in terms of its size, this smaller home robot stands at just 5 feet 3 inches and weighs 120 pounds. Number 2, the PX5. Sha Pang Motors recently unveiled its PX5 humanoid bipedal robot, which is China's attempt to compete with Tesla's Optimus. Impressively, the PX5 is equipped with exceptionally dexterous and lightweight humanoid arms as well as hands. In fact, each hand in the PX5 system boasts 11 degrees of freedom and can exert a gripping force up to 2.2 pounds. This capability is enhanced by a sophisticated hybrid drive system that combines rigid and soft elements, enabling the PX5 to handle and manipulate objects of various shapes with precision. On top of all of this, the PX5 also features the integration of control and drive mechanisms into a single compact unit in each hand, each unit weighing less than 1 pound. This integration does not compromise the robot's sensitivity, as it is outfitted with endpoint tactile perception, allowing for refined interaction with different textures and surfaces. Additionally, the PX5 features an advanced lightweight mechanical arm with 7 degrees of freedom, achieving an impressive repeat positioning accuracy of just 0.01 inches. This precision is complemented by an exceptional load-to-weight ratio that exceeds 0.6, enabling the robot to handle a maximum payload of over 6.5 pounds while maintaining a self-weight of only 11 pounds. The PX5 can achieve a maximum endpoint linear velocity of 3.2 feet per second, highlighting its efficiency and speed in movement. Interestingly, the PX5 is supposedly unparalleled in its bipedal walking and obstacle navigation abilities, thanks to its uniquely designed high-performance joints. Because of this, the PX5 is adept at both indoor and outdoor navigation, capable of walking and overcoming obstacles for durations exceeding 2 hours. Number 3. The Type 1 Kaleido Genki Itai leveraged Kawasaki's Kaleido platform to engineer its own robot, which it named the Type 1 Kaleido version 1.0. While this robot is designed for industrial applications, it's also humanoid in appearance and is intended to replace human workers in high-risk areas. It can replicate its operators' movements with precise force control, operated from a specialized cabin using virtual reality controllers and a headset. Because of the robot's integrated remote control technology, the operator's applied force not only manipulates the robot, but is also coupled with haptic feedback for a more natural and effortless navigation experience. Number 4. The Conoid robot. Shibaura Machine has recently unveiled a prototype of its third-generation 2-armed Conoid robot, designed to enhance manufacturing processes with a high degree of autonomy. The Conoid 3 is designed to perform tasks such as transporting and assembling parts or packaging boxes, all without the need for traditional training or programming. Plus, each of its 2 6-axis arms is capable of independent operation thanks to the robot's onboard artificial intelligence algorithms. These arms can move at a speed of approximately 3 feet per second and are capable of lifting loads up to about 13 pounds. The robot is uniquely designed to accumulate and incorporate its own experiences, enabling it to work collaboratively with humans, even alongside moving conveyors. Number 5. The Unry H1. Unry claims its H1 humanoid robot is the most powerful in the world, Standing at a height of 5 feet 11 inches and weighing just over 103 pounds, this robot closely mirrors human proportions and capabilities, achieving a walking speed of about 3.5 miles per hour. The integration of a depth camera and a 3D LiDAR system allows the H1 to map its surroundings in 3 dimensions, giving it an acute awareness of objects and surfaces nearby. This advanced sensory capacity, combined with its integrated AI, positions the H1 as not only high-performing but also cost-effective. Despite its tall and lightweight frame, the H1 is remarkably stable, maintaining its position even under significant external impacts. This stability is partly due to its powerful knee joints, which can generate a maximum torque of 360 Newton-meters, enabling the robot to navigate autonomously across varied and challenging terrains. The robot possesses 5 degrees of freedom in each leg, with 3 in the hip, 1 in the knee, 1 in the ankle, plus 4 degrees of freedom in each arm. For power, the H1 uses a 15-amp-hour battery to run its dual Intel Core i7 processors, as well as its Intel RealSense depth camera. Number 6. The Realan Dual Arm. The Realan Dual Arm compound robot is a state-of-the-art intelligent platform that boasts remarkable versatility and precision. Equipped with 2 7-axis robotic arms, each capable of handling a load of up to 11 pounds, this robot is designed for compactness and flexibility. Its rigid structure allows for solo operations with one arm or synchronized activities using both arms, catering to diverse and complex tasks. On top of this, the robot has a substantial reach, with a maximum arm span of over 6 feet 9 inches and a platform height of about 4 feet 5 inches. Despite its capabilities, it maintains a moderate weight of approximately 176 pounds. The robot is powered with a 220-volt power supply, with a working voltage of 24 volts. In terms of its accuracy, the robot's repositioning is within 2 inches, as well as features like laser scanning, visual obstacle avoidance, force sensors, and an emergency stop function. In terms of speed, the robot moves quite swiftly at a speed of about 1 meter per second and is powered by a 384-core NVIDIA Volta GPU with 48 tensor cores, plus a 6-core NVIDIA Carmel ARM CPU. Number 7. Foodly. RT Corporation developed Foodly, a humanoid robot specifically engineered to assist in food preparation alongside human workers. Foodly employs dual computer vision systems, featuring one system in its head for identifying a wide range of food ingredients and another in its chest for container recognition. This dual system approach allows for precise item placement and handling of diverse foods and containers. The robot is designed with joint structures that prevent human hands from getting trapped and a screwless build to avert foreign object contamination. Furthermore, the robot is battery-powered and has a price tag of approximately $70,000 per unit, with Foodly being available via outright purchase, leasing, or subscription options. But how do these robots stand up to the Western competition?